about your truck?
Yeah, so what we have here is a 1946 Dodge truck. Its nickname is Uncle Joe. It's got a 4Bt Cummins. It's built by Motzke's Diesel. Caleb and Tristan over there took care of me. We redid the front end suspension. The way it started, the reason why it's called Uncle Joe is my Uncle Joe gave me the base of the truck years ago, about 6 months before he committed suicide. And so it sat for a while, and then it became my therapy. So I built it, and then we've just constantly been upgrading it. And when it got beyond my skill set on the engine, I tapped Caleb and Tristan to help me out. So it's a compound turbo setup. Not super fast, it's only a 4BT, but it's pretty cool looking, I think.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep.
Smoothest idling running 4BT.